Yo, what's up? Mixed by Gabriel, Third Eye Sound. This video is specifically touching on the baby Rockstar that, is in the Billboard charts right now. I just wanted to do a slight breakdown on how you guys can get your vocals sounding mainstream record, like a mainstream record in literally just 6 plugins. The rest is really just like having fun with reverb and delays and like trying different effects. On the background vocals, I used a lot of like filtering, like telephone effects and a chorus plugin. And really it's just like I said, just using a lot of reverb, panning, and stuff like that. So this is a bit of how I go about doing it. Here's a breakdown. Let me know if you have any questions. Check it out. Peace.
Yo, Third Eye Sound mixed by Gabriel. Let's talk about it. So just take a listen to this. Hear how crisp it sounds. I did a lot of cool, fun things with this, and I really want to break it down for you guys so you guys can do this at home. Alright, so first I started with the waves tune and the pitch of the song and just put it on as hard as possible. Roll off a lot of the low end up to like 150, and boost at 8K, put a deesser, followed by a compressor, and then I used the Puig Tech to do a little bit of the warmth, give a little warmth, bring a little warmth back to the vocal. So you can actually see I actually pan some of the delays, like the actual, like when the delay hits, I pan it to the left or the right ear. I do a hard pan on one of the in the background, and I actually automate the reverb to go up as the fades out. So there's lots of cool things you can do with automation and panning on the background stuff. I did a slap delay, I did a quarter delay. I had fun. I really had fun with this record, and I really want you guys to like really automate, like you can automate reverbs in the background to be very big at the end of phrases and words, especially for background stuff. You can pan background vocals from the left to the right ear. They did a lot of that in this record on the hook. The little the little whoa, like all those have like filters and reverb and delays on them that are different from the main vocals. So really try that out. Like I said, those are 6 plugins that will get you real close to a mainstream industry record. So try it out. Let me know how it goes. Mixed by Gabriel, Third Eye Sound.